Miaka ya hau kabere ruhonge rwa wendia wa kahua rwa KPCU ni rumwe rwa honge iria cierahagira kwihanda na njira nene rukimathira utonga munene kumana na thogore nginyaniru ya kahua. Ona kuri uguo ruhonge ruru rukoretwo rugithinekana mwaka thutha wa uria ungi, undu uria ucungiriirie ruhonge rwa kuramata thathaite bururi-ini gukanja marua ma uruti wa wira ma ruhonge ruru muthiini wa kiumia kihituku.
Coffee production has currently plummeted to a low of about 40,000 metric tons of coffee per year from a high of about 140,000 metric tons in the early days due to corruption, systemic mismanagement and the outright plunder of farmers' assets.
Kuringana na Minister wa iganda na mwonjoria Peter Munya uria thukeirwo kihoti gia kwarahura urimi uyu, Utongoria matari kihariro nio macungiriirie thina munene ruhonge-ini ruru.
KPCU is currently run by a group of persons who are irregularly and illegally in office without going through the due process of formal elections.
Ningi Munya ni acakaitio kunderu wa magetha migunda-ini ya arimi undu ukigiritanio na umithio mukunderu wa mahinda kwa mahinda.
These persons have purportedly taken over the management of KPCU in total disregard of members' interests. Due to these administrative and governance constraints that have bedeviled KPCU for a long time, the institutional support system for farmers that existed hitherto, such as provision of affordable inputs on cherry-based credit facilities and advances, are no longer available.
Kwa ihinda riri bururi wa Kenya urutaga muigana wa tani 40,000 cia kahua ukiringithanio na tani 130 o mwaka iria warutaga miaka ya hau kabere. Handu-ini ha metha ya ujuria Kameme TV, ritwa rakwa ni Bataru wa Mwagi.